Welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson we will study about the function limit. So before we trading, I always told you you must know the high value of GMB. So we at this time we trade GMB pair USDT. You must have money in your USDT in your wallet. So the high here, the high. So you use high. 24 hour, yeah, and the low for 24 hour, this value. So you trade between this below 78 and above 65 because it is low risk. If you trade the highest, it's very risk. You will hold for a long time. Make sure we are trading in spot, yeah. Trading in spot. And the low, if you're trading for the low, it's long time to get down. If it come to this place, it will down more than this. So that's why we trade between this. Okay, let's come to our coin. We have we trade on GMB that we pair USDT. So okay, so I will trade around this one. 71. Okay, 7100, and I press all. Drag this on. This we have 25%, we have 50, we have 77, we have 100 of your USD in wallet. So what is your price you want set? This is price. This is amount. We don't know amount, but when we track this one, this is will follow the tracking money that we trade. Yeah. Okay. And then you click on buy. So you cannot sell because it's pending. Click here. It's pending buy. After buy you can click sell here. Okay, so I'm waiting and it come up here. 71 here. If it above, example, if it 71,111, it cannot buy first. It buy unless it's 7100. Yeah. Okay, so we waiting now. Okay, so now it's already buy first. Yeah, look at here order history. So it buy first. Feel, yeah, it's already bought first. You spend 9, so now it's time to sell. So if you sell this price, it's bigger than this, yeah. You bought it this 0.7100. So if you sell it this period, how do you get? You get 9, yeah. So you get, yeah, or bigger than, or 6, or 2, example 2, 0. So you get 2926. That's cool, yeah. Okay, so I get this price, then select sell limit, yeah. Okay, and then I'm waiting. So it will come up here, and then it will automatically bought for me. Okay, it's come up, up, down. Okay, it's look at in open order, so we will order first. We will sell at this price, so you will get amount this price. While you bought open, click here, you bought at this 71 with this money. Okay, so while it's holding, look at it. You must also look at BTC, also pair USDT. So is it up or down? This price is cool, 41,826. Yeah, it's up from 40, and now it's 41. Let's see, will it see? It's bought for us now. You see the notification. Look at open order, so it's gone now. But if you click on open history, see, sell, what money you get here. Yeah, that's cool. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.